Hello students, welcome to EduAid. My name is Amarjit Dev. Today we will be learning about another important function of management, that is coordination. Okay, so far can we recap the functions that you have learned so far? Yes, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Well, coordination is a function which is required by all the functions of management. I repeat, coordination is that function which is required for all the other functions. So in this regard, let us understand first what coordination is all about. Okay? So coordination is the achievement of orderly activities আমি কি বুলি বুজিব পাৰো group efforts coordination is the orderly activities or group efforts and unity of action in the pursuit of common objectives. Can we repeat? Coordination is the achievement of orderly activities or group efforts and unity of action in the pursuit of common objectives of the organization. This definition was coined by Sir Mooney and Rayleigh. Please write it down, all of you. Coordination refers to that process which brings about harmony in action. Harmony mane ki? Harmony means when everything is functioning in an organized manner. Okay? Coordination mane ami talmel boli kobo paru. Tumalokor eta example ami before we move ahead, let us take down few examples. Take one example. Jetia tumaloke orchestra soa bahut musician ekelogot bojai ase. There is only one singer in the front and so many orchestra, large orchestra with various musical instruments, but what do you listen to it? Effective coordination hoy na hoy. Ketiaba violin bojai ase, ketiaba drum bojai ase, guitar bojai ase, all in tandem. That whatever I am saying can be summarized in one word, that is harmony. Okay, so coordination helps to achieve harmony, that is unity of action, amongst the various departments or within the department, so that the organization functions efficiently and effectively in the pursuit of its goals or objectives. Clear, friends? Okay, so now let us understand some of the features of coordination or some of the elements in the process of coordination. Some of the elements which are involved in the process of coordination. Okay. Number one, integration of তোমালোকে আগতে লিখি লোৱা তাৰ পিছত মই বুজাই দিছো integration of group efforts তাৰ মানে কি various departments, let us say D1, D2, D3 department, right? D1, D2, D3, they are functioning they have their own role and responsibility, but coordination will help them to integrate these departments in such a manner that the whole work is carried out to contribute to the organization as a whole. It will bring harmony in the action. It will integrate. It will bring together different functions. Okay, so that means one function is benefiting the other function. Okay, both the functions are benefiting one another. Both the functions are benefiting one another. So that as a whole, it becomes integrated. Clear? Okay, otherwise all will function differently. You know, our human body system, you know, we have so many systems in our human body. The circulatory has its own way of functioning. The digestive system has its own functioning. The nervous system has its own functioning. The musculatory system has its own functioning. But end of the day, it is all integrated. The functions integrate. As a result, we keep doing various activities that we want to do, right? And whenever one system is not working or one small part in the system is not working, we fall sick. Okay, and we need medical advice, so that, you know, because one fault in one system affects all the other systems indirectly. Okay. Clear? Okay, let's move to the second element. Balancing, just what I said now, you know, in this example. Balancing of activities. Tar mane ki? Activities buli kole, tumaloke ki buja? Can you tell me, all of you? Functions or tasks. Organization of activities means what is my function, what is the function of accounts department or marketing department. So that is what is meant by activities or tasks. So here to balance koi dia kenake input for one department becomes the output for the other. Okay, so for example, the output of marketing department is the products, finished products. That becomes an input for the sales department, for whom the finished product, they begin their selling process from the finished product, right? And they reach out to the customers. Okay, if you talk of telecom company, the output of the product department or the marketing department will advertise the products. The product management team will design various, you know, offers in terms of, you know, pack size, you know, for various internet capacities. 1 GB free or 2 GB free, so on and so forth. Okay, talk time and everything put together. And the sales department, that becomes an input for the sales department when they are selling, when they are meeting customers to promote the products. So therefore, balancing means one department balances the activity of the other department. Okay, let us move to the third point. Timing through synchronization of activities. Through synchronization. Tar mane ki? Moi jitu orchestra example loisilu. Synchronization. Everything is very, very well organized. Kar kiman role thakibo. Sometimes you see a flute in the orchestra. Flute sage ebare ba dubare bojabo. Kintu the timing is so perfect, which elevates the song into a brilliant song or into a great song. This timing is very important, okay, in any activity. When what has to function, that is very, very important, right? So therefore, if we summarize the various elements of coordination, one is integration of group efforts, the second is balancing of activities, and the third is timing through synchronization of activities, which will bring about harmony in the business. Okay, and as a result, it will end up with satisfied customers. It will end up with the company earning its market share, gaining its market share. Okay, improving upon its profitability. Employees will be benefited. There are so many benefits. Okay, and coordination is part of all the functions of management. So we end here today. I want you to take down ketaman questions tumaloke likhi lua. Eta hol define coordination. Okay, tumalokor ekhon definition ahe porikhat according to Mooney and Rayleigh. Okay, it is the achievement of orderly activities or group efforts and unity of action, okay, to achieve the common objectives. Second question, explain the various elements of coordination. Tinta element bujai diba. And the third question could be on what is integration of group efforts, or enake true false ahibo, fill in the blanks ahibo. Dash helps to integrate group efforts. Dash to ki buli bujam ami coordination. Clear? Okay. Similarly, timing through synchronization can be achieved through coordination. So short questions yate ahibo pare. Or it's part of the big question, which is define and explain the meaning of coordination. Thik ase? Okay. Thank you.